Drinks or coffee? Oh, a lot different.
In the corner of a crowded place. This is boring. Till I heard your name and now I'm staying for ya.
Oh.
We're just friends, it's okay. Kinda weird how my night changes.
Whoa.
It's just me.
Whoa.
See you in a different light.
See you in a different light.
We can't say what we mean, but I'm happy that you're here tonight. I'm feeling so good at a bad party.
Oh, I get you. Whoa. Nope. Oh, we can get coffee at a bad party. Okay, wait, hold on. You cooking? We can get drinks or we can get coffee. Ooh. Ooh, okay, I have to sit up for this one.
Today and tomorrow. Is it just me starting to see you in a different light?
This is different. I like how this is going.
I'm feeling so good at a bad party. We don't have to talk.
I know that you want me.
Gotta keep it nice. We cannot be naughty. We can get drinks or we can get coffee. Feeling so good.
Hey,
At a bad party.
hey,
We don't have to talk.
hey.
I know what you
This is a
want.
vibe. Oh, this is gonna be a repeat type of.
Get drinks or
We can get coffee.
drinks, coffee, drinks, coffee,
Drinks, coffee.
just call me at drinks.
Hey,
Coffee,
hey,
drinks,
hey,
coffee,
hey.
drinks,
Instant like, bro.
just call me yeah.
Hold up, repeat. That's so short. I hate that it's short. But maybe it's just shortened to the point for a reason. All right, play that again. Because off the bat, the beat caught me off guard, my guy. Let me see through the lyrics too.
Standing in the corner of a crowded place. This is boring.
Till
I
I
heard your name and now I'm
Ooh.
staying for ya. We're just friends, it's okay. Kinda weird how my night changes. It's just me
starting to see you in
a different light. I know we can't
say what we mean.
but I'm happy that you're here tonight.
It's just that one person that is like, you're just happy that they there at this, bro. The amount of, okay, not to like flex, I'll be going to events and stuff. Like, bro, I'll be going to events and stuff, and it's always that one person I'm just happy to see because I already know they the chill guy or a good time. And that one person, also, you know what? I'm not gonna get into it. Anyways, let's continue.
Feeling so good at a bad party. We don't have to talk. I know that you want me. Gotta keep it nice.
Ooh.
We cannot be naughty. We could get drinks or we could get coffee. Feeling so good at a bad party.
Hey.
We don't have to talk. I know that you want
Okay.
me. Keep it nice.
Hey.
We cannot
Hey.
be naughty.
Hey.
We could get drinks
Oh, we can get coffee. Let's sip my coffee.
So I've been thinking about you
All day. It's not wrong.
today
And tomorrow.
Is it so I've been bending the
Truth all day.
It's today and tomorrow. Is it just me starting
Ooh, I love the
to
production.
see you in a different
This is gonna be a repeat song for real.
we can't
Repeat.
say what we mean, but you know that I mean it right. I'm feeling so good at a
Hey. Okay.
I know what you want.
I already love it. Drinks or coffee? Definitely one of my faves. That's gonna be on. It's not my like fave of the album, but definitely is gonna be replayed a lot. I love that. I love the beat of the song. I love the way that the lyrics are being said and just the flow. Oh, beautiful.
I can't figure it out. Can't have me like you. I can't figure it out. Can't have me like you.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.